guys, this is me. I'm back today. So we gonna wash our plates today. Oh my gosh. First we gonna place this camera on. Where it could be placed? I think here will be. Here. Then this here, just face the camera. I have to get something. Perfect, guys. Perfect. I have an emergency light. Oh yes, sir. Yes. So guys, we gotta wash the plates. This is so heavy, guys. There you go. The big. First, I'm gonna wash. And here. Now we're gonna pour out some soap in here, guys. Right here. And there. Oh yes, sir, guys. Yes, sir. Mix this up. And there. Washing. Hey. Don't black the camera. See this? I'm washing this. Hey! I think, guys, it's gonna have a part 2. So wait until this have a part 2. I think this will have a part 2 or not. I don't know, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna wash this plate. It's so heavy. Then we're gonna be little bit faster. Faster, cousin. I bet. Faster. The video will end soon. This big guy here. It's harder than I thought. I am little bit wet today. Ayan. Wash the plates. Oh yes, sir. And here, guys. Wash that. And wash this cups. Again. Don't remember the part 2. If you remember it, say it to me. Stop. And I think, do we have no part 2 or not? Okay. Nice in here. Kung maghugas nito at Elaine, ang hirap. So guys,
Wash dyan.
so guys, forget my cousin says because she is a half Filipino, guys. She cannot control when she is speaking English. So she is speaking little bit of Tagalog, guys. So don't judge him or I will. Guys, okay? And wash the plates, wash the plates. So guys, you gonna like, guys, I'm gonna reveal something to you. I am half Filipino and I am half English. So sorry guys for not telling you this morning. This is my real secret, guys. Faster.
Wala pa.
So she is speaking Tagalog again because I just like bother him. So she talks Tagalog, guys. But don't judge him. She's just a cute girl. And she's so pretty when she is like get makeup. She's so pretty. Guys.
Gusto niyo tinapay? Gusto niyo tinapay? Huwag kang hukad lang.
These cousins. So I will do fast forward this, guys. Yan, guys. Nugasan namin yung ibang mga plato dahil natatagalan kami, guys. Kaya, guys, i-fast forward na namin, guys, yung bedel.
Added password.
Oh, that's so loud. We're gonna, like, get
Guys,
faster
malinis
with
na
this.
guys. Charot.
She's talking against Filipinos, guys. You don't know what she's like doing right now, guys. I'll be mad if she like talk again Tagalog, guys.
Hay! Saan na yun?
Hey, guys.
Saan mo nabagay yun? Ano to ilalagay?
She is confused, guys. Where this gonna be?
Ay!
Here. That's it. Again, guys. Wash it out. Wash. Okay. And yeah, we are almost done, guys. Okay. Yeah.
Nabasa pa ako.
She talks Filipino again. I'm so angry little bit.
Uy, nabasa uli. Yaan mo na matutuyo na rin. Saan ito ilalagay? Ay, pira ko naiwan ko dito.
Please stop talking Tagalog and go in there now. I'm gonna
Wash.
get out. Okay. She's out now. So he not bother me like and she's not gonna talk Tagalog. Please don't come back. Please. Just please.
Huli.
My God, she is like a magnet. Like, I cannot understand. He's like following me. Like that, guys. And like this. And almost clean. And done, guys. It's done. Okay, so this is the final. She is like in here. It's finished, guys. See ya. Peace.